And if you don't give up and you speak your truth and you're not spewing out hatred and all this other stuff, but you're talking about the need to love each other and the need to put down the fault lines that divide us, then it's a power in itself which true hatred, which is that trying to silence you, can't cope with. You know, when true hatred, like these ultra-Zionist hate groups, come into conflict with true hatred, which is some of these far-right operations, then that's a different dynamic, because that's hate fighting hate. But when hate's trying to silence, or hate trying to silence hate, but when hate's trying to silence someone who's trying to articulate our hatred is how we got into this mess, how allowing the fault lines to divide us is how we got into this mess, then that dynamic is different. And that's why they struggle with me.
Right.
Because I'm not saying what they claim I'm saying, and they can't make that stand up, therefore, to any proper examination. And that's why they will never debate with me. I've offered to debate with them. I said to them, I will debate all of you together, just me, no problem. They won't do it. Because let me tell you another quick story to show how far this has gone and how disgusting it is.